Prime country out there.
Hopefully we don't have to lease. We're just going door knocking.
That's the plan.
Plan something like that. But we're going to stop, grab some McDonald's on the way, and we'll touch base with you whenever we get there.
We'll probably get a lot of news, but it only takes one. Only takes one.
One.
That is the first successful door knock, brother.
Heck yeah, man.
116 acres of freedom out here in Kentucky. God is good. Heavy trail all the way up and through here. Entire hillside. Little recap for today. We went into Kentucky, door knocking, lots of no's. Nice no's. Everybody's very nice down there.
Yeah, good people.
What did we get shut down? 5-6 times?
Probably 5 or 6.
And then hit the jackpot on the last one. Lady was super nice. Super nice. She didn't care. 116 acres. She said nobody else hunts it.
Yeah, we're the only ones that hunt it.
Wide open cut trails already through. You can see the deer trails here, there, everywhere. We got cameras up.
Corn out.
Corn, you know, the real hunting stuff you got to do. True hunters out there. Sorry.
That's it.
Got to do what you got to do.
If you ain't feeding, you ain't killing, boy.
That's right. But overall, good day. Good day, I'd say.
Yeah, real good day.
I'd say it was a win.
Now, get down, put some more cameras out, find where they're traveling at, you know.
To and fro.
We're 3 weeks away. 3 weeks away from opening day.
Might be a little late, but better late than never.
Yeah.
And yeah, I'd call it today a win for sure.
Absolutely, I agree.
All right, then. This is gonna be the last one for the day.
See you guys.
See ya. Going on, guys. It is the 7th of September. Kentucky season started yesterday. but couldn't get him out of bed.
That's right.
So we are heading in now. It is 2:50 right now. We'll be there in like 20 minutes. Get set up, hopefully before 4. And we're going public or private. Bit the bullet. No bueno. No good.
No good.
So we are kind of going in blind. I kind of scouted this place last year, and a lot of deer sign, but that was last year, you know. And big creek bottom, acorns everywhere. Yeah, acorns are dropping like crazy here already. So I'm surely that's been the same thing there. And yeah, see what we can get hold of. Got anything to say?
I don't know. Hoping it all works out. It is 73 degrees. It's a little warm, but
Very.
Deer will have to move this evening. I think they moved early last night. It was cool, so they're going to be hungry. I'd say they'll be on their feet by 6 o'clock. And like he said, acorns are on the ground. The beans are starting to brown, so they're going to be on the acorns. We're winging it.
At this point, if it's brown, it might just be down. We are about to walk in. We a long walk in, so we'll see you at the tree. We're set up down on this creek bottom, and there's some pines on top of the hill walking in. They're all funneling in. That looks like a really good spot, so we're fixing to see what happens. We're a little late, but being here is better than nothing, so we're gonna see what pops up. Well, it's about 7 o'clock out here, and pretty good with squirrels around here. That's about it. Not looking out so far. It's still early, but not much is happening right now. Lots of bugs. Kentucky, you guys got lots of bugs. It almost feels wrong being out here right now and so early compared to what we're used to. But yeah, we'll just be out here hanging around. There's one down here.
Meh.
Just piled up, dog. Shit down. First deer on Ball Lake. Didn't go 50, boys.
It's right by the street. It is. A little bit, won't you? Oh, that's a good sign, boy. That's a real good sign. Smoked.
That's right, bro.
Yeah, I'd say she went this way. That's covered, son.
He died up top, man.
Rolled
All the way down here.
all the way down the mountain.
Let's go.
Alright, guys. Well, got her done in Kentucky on the first day. Nathan got a doe. So, not sure when we'll be back, but we're heading back to Kentucky soon. And, I reckon it's my turn. See what we can, stick an arrow in. Yeah. You got anything to say?
No, man. We'll see you guys soon.
We'll be back at it.